I remember my mom storming into my room.
Still texting.
I was almost going to bed. She opened my door and she said, "We need to talk." And she walked off. She was in tears. I remember my heart was racing. And I kept asking, "What's wrong? What's wrong?" I had never seen so much hurt in someone's eyes, especially my mother's. When she told me, she leaned in for a hug. And I was so angry. So angry. I remember pushing her off as she leaned in and yelling, "No, no, 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 no." I ran into my room and I got on my bed. And I got on my phone. And I called him. It rang. And it rang. And then it cut off. And it went straight to voicemail. And I called again. And it just went straight to voicemail. I didn't want it to be true. So I just kept sending him text messages saying I was sorry, begging for his forgiveness, begging for him to accept my apology and to answer my phone call. I got nothing.